In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset instance in PoE2 PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Resetting instances is an extremely useful feature built into PoE2 that allows you to farm indefinitely by respawning monsters within a certain area. And you can do this on PC, but also consoles. So to do this, access any waypoint to open the menu. So go into any waypoint and open the map. Find the specific location that you wish to reset the instance for. So hover over it, and after you have it selected, if you look at the bottom of your screen, you will be able to find the main commands. So at the bottom, you will see the option to select, show quests, see legends, and so on. All that you have to do here is press your respective button, which on PlayStation should be X. So press and hold the X button if you are on PlayStation to open the Instance Manager. Like I said before, you have to press and hold to see the Instance Manager. Immediately upon doing this, a new menu will appear and you will be able to configure the instance. You are about to enter the location that you selected. Choose an instance to enter below. So all that you have to do here is choose New Instance. As you can see, they will stay open for 8 to 15 minutes, and immediately upon selecting this, you will load into a new instance of the map that you selected. It's as simple as highlighting it on the map, and after you have it selected, press and hold X. If you are on Xbox, then you will have to press and hold the A button instead, and finally, if you are on PC, you will have to press and hold Ctrl. But for PlayStation 5, it's as simple as holding the X button on your controller after you select any location that you can teleport into on the map. So go to a waypoint, find the location, and hold X after selecting it. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset instance PoE2 PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.